welcome to Guzhen Lighting Fair channel. I'm Sky and I'm the host of today's factory tour. Now we are at Yaming Lighting. As you can see, it is such a big company with 7 floors and it has a personnel of about 100 people. Now let's move to the showroom and see what their products they have. Yaming Lighting's main products are Floodlight. Let's see their new products and the traditional products. So what's the common between the products? They are both made of aluminum and they are integrated housing. So what's the difference between these two products? You can see this is the new products. The power is 400 watt and this one is 200 watt. So why is this size is almost the same as this one, but the voltage is much larger? Because these new products apply with the new technology. You can see it has no glass on the surface. But this one, it has one glass on the surface. It's much more heavier and this one is lighter. But they are all mounted surface. They can fix on any smoothie surface such as the wall, the ceiling, or anywhere. But what's the difference between them? Let's see. This one has a glass on the surface, but this one does not have the glass. It applies with the new technology. It's the PC on the surface. So this one is much more lighter than this one. But this size is almost as the same as this one. And this voltage, the power, is 400 watt and this one is 200 watt. So this is more advanced than this one. If you want to buy this product, let's make a comment below and let us know. You can see the sign on the back of the products. Their output voltage is 220. These are the products for Chinese buyers. As for the foreign buyers, don't worry. Yaming Lighting also produce the product with output voltage of 110 voltage. This is the high bay light. It usually applies in the workshop of a factory. You can see this is a hook, so it can fix with a hook, or you can lose the hook and fix with the boom. This light, the power is 200 volt, so it offers much light for the workshop to produce more products. This product weighs almost 60 kilograms, so it is made of good quality aluminum. And it is waterproof, so it can work in the humid workshop. That's so much for today's factory tour. If you want to learn more other factories, welcome to follow up our hosted program Go Online. It will be run from March 18 to April 18 in this year. See you next time!